In this video, I'm going to look at turning cheat sheets, which are basically just simple 1 or 2 page PDFs usually, into cash, cold hard cash. So let's have a look at quite a few different ways of how we're going to do this. First one, very simple, sell printable cheat sheets on Etsy and other marketplaces. Obviously you couldn't do eBay because they want a physical thing, so you'd have to physically send it, which is doable but not whatever. With Etsy you just sell the PDF, you just blur out a bit of it so people didn't just rip you off and put it out there. Obviously you can use ChatGPT and other things to work out exactly what you're going to do your cheat sheet about, what the topics are, and as I said, Etsy, I wouldn't do eBay, but Gumroad is another one that's quite interesting. It's got built-in traffic, but you need to have sold at least $10 worth to actually get money out of it. But you can use it to build up that and a mailing list, and obviously your own website. Next up, you could do a subscription-based cheat sheet, basically a monthly or a weekly newsletter that's got basically a cheat sheet. And if you target your market right, people will actually pay you a subscription fee. I'd suggest if you're going to go down the subscription route, go down something that's kind of a no-brainer price. $5 would be quite good, because it's the kind of thing that you think the subscriber thinks, do I want it? Don't I want it? Oh, $5, I'm not going to cancel. I might cancel next month, or I'll just keep paying it. And again, you can use ChatGPT to come up with loads and loads of different ideas and bundle them with online courses or just online products. They're basically a good way. You've probably come across quick start guides. They're the kind of same thing, cheat sheets. So use them for that. Use them as bonuses and increase the course's value and sell it at a higher price, or just sell more of it, or use them as bonuses for other products that you're selling. You can easily, depending on which forum you're on or which platform you're on, if you're on something like Warrior Plus, you can actually attach your own bonuses to it. But if you're on other platforms, just say, send me an email and I'll send you them. Freelance content creation. Lots and lots of businesses would like to offer customers that kind of thing, or influencers. They're everywhere if you turn nowadays, influencers. Custom cheat sheets, very easy to do. Again, you can create them. You can sell them on places like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, or if you're really feeling brave, just do direct outreach. If you're one of their subscribers or one of their followers, you might get attention on that. But personally, I'd go for some of the basically platforms like Fiverr, where you can say, I will create X number of cheat sheets for you for this price. Now you can monetize your cheat sheets with advertising revenue. That could be direct advertising revenue once you've got enough people basically subscribing to your email or whatever. Or you can use affiliate marketing or sponsored content. Affiliate marketing works really, really well, because you basically just weave it into, here's another resource for XYZ. Click on this link in the cheat sheet, and whoops, it goes to your affiliate link. So if you're going to do that, use a program like Pretty Links or something similar on your own website, so that if the affiliate program disappears, and they do occasionally, then you can change it basically you can change it, whereas if it's a direct link in the cheat sheet, in the PDF, you can't change it. So go via your own website. You can also use that to monitor basically Pretty Links will do stats and things like that, so you can basically monitor how many people are clicking through and use that to target future cheat sheets as well. Using cheat sheets as lead magnets, they can be the standard lead magnet type page that your autoresponder will generate for you, or you can put something on Facebook Marketplace or LinkedIn or any other marketplace you're on, saying basically email me for this free cheat sheet, and basically it adds them to your list and you send them that. You can put that in your autoresponder. It will then go out automatically as soon as they say yes. And they're an excellent lead magnet because people are time poor, so the fact that you're saving them time by condensing things into 1 or 2 pages really works nicely. I mentioned basically affiliate marketing earlier, and you can use it directly as an affiliate marketer. So you could do a cheat sheet that has basically X number of product recommendations, and the affiliate links in the cheat sheet basically earn you a commission. I've done that with cheat sheets I've put for sale and giveaway on Gumroad, and it works nicely. This one might sound a bit scarier, but create an app for cheat sheets, and you don't have to be a coder nowadays. There's a lot of what are called literally no-code app builders, and if you just search for that, no-code app builder, you can do that and spend an hour or 2 or 3, depending on how good the app building program is. Not got any specific recommendations. It's a route I'm going to be going down, but I haven't done yet. But it's well worth it, and it's a differentiator. And then again, you can either do the standard in-app purchases or a subscription model, or whatever you decide to choose. Kind of touched on this with the freelance sites, but basically offer custom cheat sheets as a service. You can do that on LinkedIn, you can do that on any of the freelance sites. I'll create a custom cheat sheet for you for this amount of dollars. Slight variation again, basically cheat sheets for educational institutions. And although I've written schools and colleges and training centres, it could also be local businesses. So if someone's offering, I don't know, Reiki or any kind of exercise training, yoga classes or anything like that, cheat sheets on that, on why it's good for you, what to do in it, and so on. You can do that kind of thing and just reach out and sell. This might take you a little bit out of your comfort zone, but you could host webinars. You can use YouTube Live, amongst other things, to effectively host a webinar, and that will then record it and put it up on YouTube for forever afterwards. Or we could do a face-to-face workshop, or we could do an online workshop, and basically telling people how they can use cheat sheets and using the value of it to basically push themselves and get more product, get more sales through their website. Again, similar to the educational institutions, corporate training, they're looking for ways to basically make their training better, quicker, easier, and more complete. And again, cheat sheets are a really good way to basically summarize written software usage, because so often a software program, although it looks complicated, the basics of it aren't. Okay, there's lots of nuances and things like that, but you can use it for training or other concepts, so worth investigating. Licensing your cheat sheets, that can be absolutely any cheat sheet you've created, and one easy way to do that is, if you're selling on sites like Gumroad, do it as upsell and give them basically private label rights. So that's the license. So they pay you, I don't know, $5 or $6 for the initial thing, or if they want the private label rights, they pay you 20, 30, whatever they decide. Again, very easy to do on a lot of the platforms like Gumroad, Warrior Plus, and so on, that allow you to sell products, and you can just offer that as an upsell. Crowdfunding projects, again, interesting one. I don't know how exactly, although I've written that you can offer it as a reward for backers and things like that. You could certainly use it as one of the parts of the crowdfunding thing. Here's a cheat sheet that you can use to blah blah blah. You could maybe do that as a donation for a handful of dollars. So it could be the low-level crowdfunding side of things, or it could be something bigger. But if you're doing a crowdfunding project, worth including one, because quite a lot of times they do different dollar values for different levels. If you've got enough cheat sheets, you can turn them into an ebook. So each chapter will be just a cheat sheet on a different facet of the particular topic you're going for. Sell them on Kindle. Amazon are good at that. Other platforms, there's Drafter Digital, which is another ebook seller, or you can sell them on Etsy. So anyway, you can sell digital products. Patreon membership, again, that's just it's another level of membership. So exclusive cheat sheets, ChatGPT will give you all sorts of ideas for these and help you create them. And basically you can offer them as bonuses, or joining level bonuses, or as I've written here, monthly or whatever. So choose it. It could just take your membership level, or give people a reason to continue subscribing to whatever program you're doing. If you're in a niche that's got influencers, and most have, track them down and basically promote cheat sheets with them, share the profits. And because quite often their influencers are good at doing what they do, which is doing silly videos or whatever else is, but they're not always good at the written word. So collaborating with them, teaming up with them, basically turning almost into a parasite of them, but obviously you don't put it that way, and helping them. Again, get people to sponsor your content. You can do that with affiliate marketing, as I said, but once you start getting popular, then you can actually go out and attract advertisers, and they'll sponsor include their product and things like that. So you might get them, and there's people doing influencer videos on places like Amazon that basically get free products. So once you build up enough following, that's one way to go. If you do coaching or consulting, cheat sheets are really good because people have gone through an hour or 2 hours with you or whatever the session happens to be, and the cheat sheet just gives them a memory jogger. So you say, hey, have one of these. Here's the PDF that summarises what we talked about. Obviously, it won't go into the full detail, but it'll help you remember, and then you can obviously use the sales pitch. Come back to me if you need more help. Pay what you want model is something I've used several times on Gumroad, and it's really good. You set the price at $0 or $2 or whatever it happens to be, and Gumroad allows you to basically say to the users, pay me what you think it's worth. And if you do it right, you can get a lot more than you first thought. I've had people pay me a lot more dollars than my original price, so the one originally in my head. So, well worth going. Gumroad is a site that allows you to do that. It's all part of the package, and there'll be other sites out there that do the same. And if you'd like help with creating cheat sheets, click the link below this video, and there's a program that will basically allow you to just put your 3 or 4 or 5 word summary in, and it will create the whole cheat sheet for you, ready to turn into a PDF and give away or sell. So, go for it. Thanks for watching.